Here we have a nice haul that I picked up earlier today. Really not a bad morning here. Got this nice Seiko Acta 6106. I picked it up because the condition is so nice. The piece touched me. It's got that chapter ring, long hands, original crystal, scratch-free case, big size. This is the 6106 here. Such a nice piece. Can't leave that one on the table. Then I don't typically buy repainted dials for these models here, but I do like this blue color on this Universal Geneve. This is about a 32 millimeter dial. Case is in good condition. A little bit of scratches here. It's got that logo at 12 here. Instead of it painted on, it's actually that metal logo right there. So I went ahead and picked up this piece. I believe it's a caliber 4.2. This is a hand winding piece. Then I picked up these Japanese vintage bracelets. Got this beads of rice, rounded beads of rice here. This is made by Snake, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. And this can fit 18 to 20 millimeter lugs. Also real nice to have these. Then we've got this very thin piece right here. I believe this is an Oscar. In fact, I believe that's what that says, an Oscar Bambi, if I'm not mistaken. Again, vintage Japanese, very suitable for thin watches. Also a lot of quartz watches would fit nicely on this. Then we came across this fishbone bracelet that typically has 20 millimeter lugs. I have to check that. And this normally goes on a Seiko chronograph, a vintage chronograph. It's got the original clasp. You can see that real flat top, the bevel edge right there, finely polished here on the sides. A few other tellers. We know that's an original clasp. Very nice piece. We got the textured beads of rice here, where you can see the beads are actually textured. And this is made by Bambi, another vintage Japanese or Hong Kong brand. Can fit 18 to 20 millimeter lugs, real useful piece. So I went ahead and picked this up as well today. Then I went ahead and got this piece here. It's got a scratched clasp on it, but these are the vintage rounded beads. Very, very beautifully folded links right here. I couldn't leave this one on the table. And this is a very interesting end link here. The end link also has the texture. Very nice. These vintage beads of rice, I do pick them up when I see them. This is a really interesting piece I picked up. It's a very ultra thin piece, an original Snake bracelet. Again, a vintage piece. And look at the brushing on this. There it is, you can see it. What a beautiful, unique piece that really is. Have a look at that. Really interesting. Then the last piece I took on today's haul is this ladder bracelet, and it's quite long and it's already been polished. And this piece is made by Lamp. Such a nice piece. Not a bad haul for this morning, if I might say.